Whoa. Whoa. Chris, look. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, that's bird.
What is that thing?
It's a bird.
What's he doing?
Hence the name bird.
Oh, whoa, whoa, geez. What's going on? Oh god. Jack has a bird.
Maddie. Come on, Maddie.
Oh, should I put it?
Come on, Maddie.
Oh my god.
Should I get the?
That's amazing. Oh. Come in the light.
We'll be right back. We'll be right back.
Come in the light. Whoa, whoa,
We'll be right back.
Colonial Jack.
Oh, hang on. No, I need Bird for a second. We're using him.
Be nice, be nice.
I'm being very nice.
Give him a hug.
Oh.
Give him a hug.
Give him smooches. Give him birdie
wow.
smooches.
Is this colonial enough?
Yeah, man.
Say something
Wow.
colonial.